Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Today we're looking at Goldman Sachs and the USO. We follow the daily, weekly, monthly time frames. We use technical analysis here at StockBookie.com. If you like these videos, go to my website, sign up, or click down here in the right hand bottom corner and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Traders, you're looking for a new broker, check out venomtrading.com/promo/StockBookie. Alright guys, so Goldman Sachs daily chart, $16.60 down on a, what was it, 11 million shares traded, right? 11 million, yeah, 11 million shares traded, or 7.46% down. It got a beat down today, guys. Even cranked through double bottom, filled the gap, and kept going. So right now we're looking at this low pivot, which we blasted through. And really, let's go to the weekly chart. Nice head and shoulder, guys. Head and shoulder breakdown. And look, it went right to target, guys. Right there, right? 206 was target. Took a little bit. I'm surprised we didn't retrace a little bit more to this neckline. Try to get above it. Never even made it. But that's a big one, guys. If we go up, that's the one to watch for if we get past these highs. So, but we made the head and shoulder target right there. And now it's really looking for another area. I mean, I guess it's going to have to be 200 even number, and then you have a big gap fill around 192.64. This thing really starts to rumble, guys. It could be a $167 stock in no time. So just think about that, guys. Down, sideways, lower range, consolidating underneath the moving averages. This is the daily chart, okay? Big volume today. We're going to see what we get tomorrow. It's going to get interesting if this one continues selling. Let's look at our weekly chart. Weekly chart, 200 MA, that was a big area as well. That's where it's trying to hold. Next big area is the 191 to the 200 area down in here. There's a gap fill, 618. Again, if this thing really starts to rumble, this is the area I'll be watching for to go long. Man, we'll really have to time it with the markets. Everything's a market trade. SPY continues selling, and this will continue going lower. The Qs continue to sell. This will go lower too with it. Everything starts to sell. This will continue lower. So we had a nice pullback off the 275 area, so almost 75 bucks. Another 75 bucks, guys. Even 50 bucks. That will bring us right to the 150 area. And we just pulled back 75. Who say we can't do another 75, guys? That would put us almost a double bottom right here. So we'll see. 137, 140 even. I wouldn't rule it out. Bulls, you got to click this thing over and just blast off, guys. You got to scream it above the 20, give it a double upgrade. Good news on the I don't know what Malaysia thing or whatever was going on today there, and then everything's fine again with Goldman. It is options X. This is where they take everybody's money on news. All of a sudden something pops up. I mean, I don't something with was it Malaysia? Yeah, it was Malaysia. I don't know. It's one of the guys at Goldman or something. I was just reading it on StockTwits. So I got an email. I was like, what's this? So that's why I guess it was selling. But for me, it's just going sideways, chopping around. Weekly chart, consolidation underneath the two moving averages. Now we're right below the 200 now. Got to see the weekly close on this one. But man, with this candle and this candle and a little bit of follow through on some pretty good volume, that's telling me lower prices, guys. If the markets sell, IWM and all that stuff, watch out. Monthly, 50 MA, that's a saving grace here. We still have a little time on the monthly chart close, but this could come, overshoot, and then by the end of the month come right back and then try to recapture the 50 MA and then possibly start to move higher. So by that time we'll probably be going into earnings season again, and then 50-50 shot up or down. But eventually, monthly chart, next targets are the 200 on the monthly charts, and that's not too far away, guys. That's 50 points away, and then double bottom at 138. So you got this big trend line here too, guys. So that's something, and you could probably, we'll put it right about there. That's a biggie. And then the 7.5. I mean, this is a pretty good area too. So we'll see what happens. Let's give this one a little time. All right, the USO, guys, we're short this. We have a quarter position. We've been holding it for a little while. We've done it a couple times though. Bounce, 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 and then reshort. I don't know the exact dates, but we did. We went like short here, covered, short. No, was it more in the 15s? think it was here. We shorted here, then we covered, came back up, we shorted again, came back down, we covered. One more rise up, we took it again short, and I think we added one more time, put a little bit more out there, and then boom, we covered. We covered a little bit, I think around, out at the, I gotta look, but around 13 bucks right in that area. And then our next area was double bottom, and here gap fill, but man, I think we could go a little bit lower. I'm gonna look for the $12 area. And this is the daily chart, guys. This isn't a big mover, but we had some pretty good volume today, 34 million, or we've had some good volume. So we got to keep an eye on this. Look at that. Look, everyone was saying to go long right about here, guys. We were shorting this thing. Great trade too. 16 to 2, 1248, straight down. Yeah. Wish I had puts on this one, but man, what a trade. Right now, gap fills right here, so that's what we're watching for. So it closed below it. This is daily, so we're going to have to see where it goes. I want to see what the weekly does on this one. Because the weekly, guys, this is critical area here. We're coming below the 200 MA, below everything on the weekly, on all the MAs. We have the trend line breakdown right now. They got to get it above this trend line right here. This is going to be a tough one, guys. So if it stays below that, we'll see. Big area, 1252 right now. That's that gap fill. I still think we could possibly get into the 11s right here. So I'm in a quarter position now short. We already covered half of the half, and then I'm trying to get another, maybe 50 cents out of this thing, maybe a little bit more, and then I'll be done. So, but we did it a couple times. So that's why, that's what we do here. We cover half, and if it goes up again, let's add that half that we covered. We'll take our profits, same amount of, if we sold 5,000 or say 5,500 and took a $500 profit here, goes back up, do it with 5,000 again. Keep the 500 bucks in our pocket, and boom, do it again. Then boom, came again, covered. Looking for another 50 cents or so. I mean, honestly, we could get another buck on this possibly. So let's keep an eye on the USO, guys. Right now, I would not go long unless this thing turns around and recaptures the 200 on the weekly close, and then possibly higher prices from here. Maybe another retrace. We do it again. Maybe we just get out of the quarter position, wait for the bounce, or then probably. Man, this is a pretty good area here too. We're gonna have to see what it does. I guess has some news today. Everything's driven on news lately, guys, especially during Options X. So watch for that. All right, that's going to be it today. But guys, check out StockBookie.com. 30 bucks a month. We've been killing it lately with intraday trades. We had Amazon short. We took that one for nice gains. We did Disney short. That one was nice gains. Let's see, and I probably see it on the 60-minute a little bit. We took Disney short. We were short right up in here in the 120 area. Took that one short. Did Trip. Took that one short up in here. Got paid on that one. We were Amazon short. A lot of short trades right now, guys. Amazon short. We were upside down on this one a little bit. We held it, and man, we got paid. We were out on here. Missed this move, but we had a big enough move here. It was like, thank you very much. I don't want to get bounced up in my face in the morning. And, of course, we cover. It goes down more. Another 75 bucks, but I don't care. It's more day trading, guys. Couple day holds, same day holds. Just get in, get out, say thank you, and let's try to catch the next move. This one goes down, we might go long. We'll see how this one goes. But what a last couple weeks, even this whole year, guys, killing it. Over 400 swing trades, 80% winning rate, all documented, all on our position sheet. Check it out. It's 30 bucks, man. Give it a try. Check it out. And we've been doing a lot of live stuff too. Don't forget, come to our live sessions. Subscribe down here in the right hand bottom corner. And we've been doing live sessions every day on the fly technical analysis, trying to find trades, areas where stocks are going to bounce, pull back, and actually take trades, guys. And that's eventually what I'm going to do with my full-time members here at StockBookie.com. So, all right, guys, become a member. Like the video. Send me a comment or whatever, and we'll go from there. But again, thanks again for watching my videos. I really do appreciate it. God bless. See you on the charts.